Forensic medicine and medical jurisprudence is a fascinating and highly important branch of medical science that connects medicine with law. It plays a crucial role in modern society because it helps the legal system understand medical facts and scientific evidence. Whenever there is a question about injury, death, poisoning, assault, sexual offenses, or medical negligence, forensic medicine becomes essential in finding the truth. Forensic medicine is the application of medical knowledge to legal problems. It involves examining injuries, determining the cause of death, estimating the time since death, identifying unknown bodies, and analyzing different types of evidence from a medical perspective. A forensic doctor works closely with law enforcement agencies, courts, and legal authorities. Their responsibility is not to defend or accuse anyone, but to present scientific facts clearly and honestly. On the other hand, medical jurisprudence deals with the legal responsibilities and ethical duties of medical professionals. It focuses on the laws that govern medical practice. Every doctor must understand medical jurisprudence because it explains issues such as consent, confidentiality, professional negligence, medical ethics, and patient rights. It protects both the patient and the doctor by ensuring that medical practice follows legal standards. The importance of forensic medicine becomes very clear in cases of unnatural death. When a person dies suddenly, suspiciously, or under unclear circumstances, a medico-legal investigation is required. In such cases, a postmortem examination is performed to determine the exact cause of death. The forensic expert carefully examines the body, collects samples, studies injuries, and documents every finding. These findings can become crucial evidence in court. Forensic medicine also plays a major role in cases of physical assault and sexual violence. The examination of victims and accused persons must be done carefully, scientifically, and ethically. Proper documentation of injuries, collection of biological samples, and preservation of evidence can make a significant difference in delivering justice. A small mistake in handling evidence may affect the entire case. Poisoning cases are another important area in forensic practice. A forensic expert must identify signs of poisoning, preserve viscera samples, and coordinate with forensic laboratories for toxicological analysis. The final opinion provided by the doctor may help determine whether the poisoning was accidental, suicidal, or homicidal. Identification of unknown bodies is also a key responsibility. This may involve examining physical features, scars, tattoos, dental records, or even DNA analysis. In cases of disasters, accidents, or criminal activities, forensic medicine helps bring closure to families by identifying the deceased. Medical jurisprudence, meanwhile, teaches doctors about consent and legal documentation. For example, before performing any medical procedure, valid consent must be taken from the patient. If the patient is a minor or mentally unsound, consent must be obtained from a legal guardian. Failure to obtain proper consent can result in legal consequences. Confidentiality is another important concept. Doctors are ethically and legally bound to keep patient information private. However, there are certain situations where disclosure is required by law, such as reporting certain injuries or infectious diseases. Understanding these legal boundaries is essential for safe medical practice. Professional negligence is one of the most sensitive areas under medical jurisprudence. If a doctor fails to provide the standard of care expected from a reasonably competent practitioner and harm occurs as a result, it may be considered negligence. Therefore, proper knowledge, careful documentation, and ethical conduct are extremely important. In modern times, forensic medicine has become more advanced with the help of technology. DNA profiling, advanced toxicology, forensic imaging, and digital documentation have improved the accuracy of medical legal investigations. Despite technological advancements, the role of the forensic doctor remains based on honesty, scientific reasoning, and impartial opinion. For MBBS students and medical professionals, understanding forensic medicine and medical jurisprudence is not just about passing exams. It is about becoming a responsible doctor who can handle medical legal cases confidently and ethically. It teaches doctors how to balance medical duties with legal responsibilities. In conclusion, forensic medicine and medical jurisprudence form a bridge between medicine and law. They ensure that justice is supported by scientific evidence and that medical professionals practice within legal and ethical boundaries. This subject strengthens both the healthcare system and the judicial system, making society safer and more just.